cloves, y'all. It's gonna be good.
You can hear the sizzle.
This is. Hi friends, welcome to Friends Test Kitchen. Today we are going to make a creamy garlic butter Tuscan salmon. And all I hear is yummy, 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 yummy salmon. And I'm so excited to make this because it's always good to add a little fish in our diet. And I don't cook enough fish at home, so this gives me an excuse and I just can't wait. The details of the recipe are down below in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. That would make our day. And that way you don't miss any of our episodes.
Okay, let's get started. First thing we need is some olive oil over a medium to high heat pan. And to that, we are gonna sear our salmon pieces first. Okay, so we're gonna put it on the pan for 5 minutes on each side, and then we're gonna remove it, and we're gonna start on the creamy Tuscan sauce that Gina just talked about. All I heard was garlic, butter, and cream.
Fish is off and looks beautifully browned.
Okay guys, this is not a diet food, a diet dinner. This is like a nice, hearty, cold winter meal. So to that oil that you just pan fried your salmon with, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter.
Just a little bit.
So online, I saw that this is a take on the Olive Garden Tuscan Chicken, which I've never had before, but I do like me some Olive Garden, so I'm excited. Okay, so to that butter, we're going to add 6 cloves of garlic.
This is how I know it's gonna be good.
Yeah,
6 cloves, y'all. It's gonna be good. I love garlic.
Okay, so it's already toasting up beautifully in my pan. And to that, we're going to add a small onion that we've already diced up. It said to add in white wine, but I'm not the biggest fan of adding white wine to my food. So instead, you can substitute it with some chicken or vegetable stock. So I'm doing some chicken stock.
So my juice is evaporating, so I think it's time for the next step of adding the sliced sun-dried tomatoes, which I love. You know, Kat,
Yes.
The only time I've used sun-dried tomatoes is in lasagna.
Is it my lasagna?
Yes. That's the only lasagna I make is Kat's lasagna. And I have that email. You sent it in an email. I wonder if I should check the year. Okay, so I have Kat's like quick and easy yummy lasagna recipe that I printed out back from 2007. I've had this piece of paper since 2007. We're just doing this for a couple minutes so that all the flavors can meld together. So when we added the butter, that wasn't the bad part. This is the delicious part.
Okay, so now it's come to a gentle simmer, and we're going to add just a little salt and pepper to taste. All right, so the next step is this giant bowl of baby spinach. We're just gonna throw that in here and let it wilt into the cream sauce.
All right, let's add another layer of goodness and add the Parmigiano. What is a Tuscan dish without Parmesan? Oh, I just blinked. That movie is on Netflix. Oh, Under the Tuscan Sun. Maybe we should watch that while we eat this.
So at this point, now that the cheese has melted, you have like an option, right? You can add in some cornstarch with water, which they call a slurry, and you can add it to the sauce if you like it thicker, or if you like it just the way it is. You don't have to do it. It is totally an option. I don't know if I need it.
I'm not sure either, because I know as it cooks and cools, it'll thicken more naturally.
And just like that, Gina, we have ourselves a creamy Tuscan salmon ready for dinner. and ready for whatever starchy side you're going to put on. Gina's got these fancy like potatoes. I'm gonna nuke my Uncle Ben's wild grain rice, and we're gonna plate this up, and we're gonna let you know if this tastes as good as it looks.
It's what you would expect it to be, like hearty and warm, and just like the whole meaning of comfort food. It just fills you up, and it tastes wonderful. We'll rate on ease first. 1 through 5, 5 being super easy, 1 I wasted my time.
So easy.
It's a 1-pan dish.
The important part is, what is this in terms of taste? On a scale of 1 to 5, Gina, what do we think this is in terms of taste and tastiness? Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
I loved it. We'll
So
add,
good.
I'm going to add this to my
Love it.
repertoire. Yeah, to my rotation. So
So
I think this
good.
is perfect for the fall because of the creaminess. It just adds more of that warmth. Helps warm you up from the inside out. How cheesy was that?
All right, guys, this was a win. Gina and I love this Tuscan salmon. It is creamy and delicious. Highly suggest you make it. You won't regret it. So thanks for joining us this week and helping us test out new recipes at home. We have some more lined up for you for the rest of the year, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and we will see you guys next week. Bye.